Hello, and welcome to the Pharmacy Times News Network. I'm Nicole Grisano and your host for our Pharmacy Week in Review. A new study published by Diabetic Medicine suggests that diabetic foot ulcers are much more likely to result in an amputation than previous research had suggested, according to a report from the American Journal of Pharmacy Benefits. The authors discovered that more than half of patients had an ulcer that did not heal for more than a year, with 1 in 7 having a partial or full amputation of their foot, according to the study. These results suggest that patients at risk of diabetic foot ulcers should be monitored to prevent costly and disabling amputations. Because the ulcers are common among patients with poor circulation, obesity, or restricted mobility, it is likely that this problem will only continue to grow as cases of type 2 diabetes increase, according to the authors. The holidays are just around the corner. That is not the only exciting thing about this time of year. ASHP's 2017 mid-year clinical meeting is set to begin, and Pharmacy Times will be on site covering it. At this largest gathering of clinical pharmacists in the world, there will be plenty of opportunities to dive into a number of informative sessions, covering everything from patient care to medication safety and more. Our coverage plan includes topics such as the new hypertension guidelines, Institute for Safe Medication Practices updates, and the newest information from the FDA. The conference will take place December 3rd to 7th in Orlando, so be sure to watch for Pharmacy Times ASHP conference dailies and coverage on social media. Despite similar treatment options, patients with psoriasis may have a higher risk of developing liver disease compared with patients with rheumatoid arthritis, or RA, according to a study reported on by Specialty Pharmacy Times. After adjusting for common risk factors, the authors discovered that patients with psoriasis or psoriatic arthritis, especially those with more severe disease, had a significantly higher risk of serious liver disease compared with RA patients. Notably, patients with psoriasis taking systemic drugs, such as methotrexate, had the highest risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. However, RA patients taking the same drug did not have such a high risk. These findings may better educate patients with the inflammatory conditions about their risk of liver disease and what steps can be taken to reduce the risk. These results may also help guide prescribing, according to the authors. Pharmacists may receive more questions about Dr. Scholl's orthotics if their patients have seen the advertisement for the product, which, when inserted into shoes, can help reduce lower body strain. In the spot called Sarah Was Born to Move, the title character chooses to always take the stairs and even climb the escalator. For more great coverage and practical information for today's pharmacist, visit our website and sign up for our daily e-news. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching our Pharmacy Week in Review. I'm Nicole Grisano at the Pharmacy Times News Network.